Hello, welcome to Cooking with the Cajun. How y'all doing today? We got some fresh blueberries. We're making a blueberry banana smoothie. It's healthy day on Cooking with the Cajun. So today we decided to cook a healthy smoothie for a snack or maybe a meal replacement drink. It's gonna have about 10 calories. Well, no, not 10 calories, about 10 grams of protein. It's about a 200 calorie drink. So let's see what we got. Some fresh blueberries. Some fresh bananas. Some plain yogurt. Milo 0 calorie sweet. Well, no, that don't go. Hold on. Where'd that come from? Some unsweetened almond milk. Some organic agave in the raw for a sweetener. Some flaxseed meal, which is organic, by the way. And I'm going to put a little flavor of honey in there. We might just spice it up with some Tabasco sauce, make it a little Cajunized. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. First thing we're going to do is we're going to have our 3/4 of a cup of milk. Get every drop. Half a cup of crushed ice. We got 1 banana and 1 cup of blueberries. 6 grams of flaxseed meal. 6 grams of pure organic nectar. Six ounces of yogurt. And last but not least, a squeeze of honey. We're ready to go. Hit smoothie and start. Well, ladies and gentlemen, time to taste. Ladies and gentlemen, smoothie time. Wow, this is good. I'm going to enjoy being on a healthy diet. So going forward, we're losing weight. We're getting in shape. We're eating healthy. God bless. Have a good day. The Cajun. Appreciate y'all joining us today. If y'all like what y'all see, please subscribe. Please hit the little bell so you can get reminders every time we go live, or we will be going live soon. Or every time we post a video, you'll get that reminder and let you know, hey, we just posted something, come check it out. Please let us know in the comments what you think. Do you like it? You don't like it? Hey, critique us, help us out. We're learning every day.